Hello everyone. Welcome back to Wordivo English Tips. Today's video is an English level test from A1 to C2. This fun test will help you understand your English level. You will answer questions about vocabulary, grammar, listening, daily English usage. Listen carefully. Pause the video if needed. Write your answers in the comments. Let's begin. Level A1, Beginner. Question 1. Choose the correct sentence. A. She go to school every day. B. She goes to school every day. C. She going to school every day. White heavy check mark correct answer. B. Question 2. What is the opposite of big? A. Tall. B. Small. C. Long. White heavy check mark correct answer. B. Question 3. Complete the sentence. I ___ a student. A. Am. B. Is. C. Are. White heavy check mark correct answer. A. Blue circle level A2, elementary. Question 4. Choose the correct sentence. A. I have visited Mumbai last year. B. I visited Mumbai last year. C. I visiting Mumbai last year. White heavy check mark correct answer. B. Question 5. What does hungry mean? A. Wanting food. B. Feeling tired. C. Feeling cold. White heavy check mark correct answer. A. Question 6. Choose the correct question. A. Where you are going. B. Where are you going? C. Where going you are. White heavy check mark correct answer. B. Level B1, intermediate. Question 7. Choose the correct sentence. A. If it rains, we will stay home. B. If it will rain, we stay home. C. If rain comes, we staying home. White heavy check mark correct answer. A. Question 8. What does the idiom piece of cake mean? A. Something delicious. B. Something very easy. C. A birthday dessert. White heavy check mark correct answer. B. Level B2, upper intermediate. Question 10. Choose the most natural sentence. A. I look forward to meeting you. B. I look forward to meet you. C. I looking forward to meet you. White heavy check mark correct answer. A. Question 11. What does environmentally friendly mean? A. Harmful to nature. B. Safe for the environment. C. Very expensive. White heavy check mark correct answer. B. Question 12. Choose the correct passive voice sentence. A. The project completed yesterday. B. The project was completed yesterday. C. The project completing yesterday. White heavy check mark correct answer. B. Red circle level C1, advanced. Question 13. Choose the best word. Technology has significantly improved global communication. What does significantly mean? A. Slightly. B. Greatly. C. Rarely. White heavy check mark correct answer. B. Question 14. Choose the most formal sentence. A. Kids should not use phones too much. B. Children should limit excessive smartphone usage. C. Children no use phone a lot. White heavy check mark correct answer. B. Question 15. What does critical thinking mean? A. Thinking carefully and logically. B. Complaining constantly. C. Memorizing information quickly. White heavy check mark correct answer. A. Purple circle level C2, proficient. Question 16. Choose the sentence with the most advanced vocabulary. A. The movie was good. B. The movie was interesting. C. The movie was exceptionally thought-provoking. White heavy check mark correct answer. C. Question 17. What does inevitable mean? A. Impossible to avoid. B. Easy to forget. C. Difficult to explain. White heavy check mark correct answer. A. Question 18. Choose the best sentence. A. Despite facing numerous obstacles, she remained determined to achieve her goals. B. She had many problems but did not stop. C. She problems many but continued. White heavy check mark correct answer. A. Bar chart results section. Now count your correct answers. White heavy check mark 1 to 5 correct A1 level. White heavy checkmark 6 to 9 correct A2 level. White heavy checkmark 10 to 13 correct B1/B2 level. White heavy checkmark 14 to 16 correct C1 level. White heavy checkmark 17 to 18 correct C2 level. Excellent work clapping ants. Remember, your English level can improve with daily practice, listening, reading, and speaking. Do not worry if your score is low today. Every expert was once a beginner. The most important thing is consistency and confidence. Great job clapping ants. Today, you completed the A1 C2 English language test. Backhand index pointing right practice English daily. Backhand index pointing right learn from your mistakes. Backhand index pointing right keep improving step by step. Pushpin also watch our old videos for more English practice.